Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Prezi AI subscription. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now we need to go here to our dashboard. So you will need to log in if you are not already. Now what we are going to do is we will go to our profile icon at the top right corner of the dashboard screen and we will select account settings. Okay, so now what we are going to do is you see here this starting overview profile licenses invite friend. So right here we can go to the licenses, or we can also select from settings overview here manage licenses, and then what we are going to do is select licenses settings just like that. All right, now you see here all the details, and what you're going to do is just cancel subscription. Here what we are going to do is we need to tell them why. So it's too expensive, for example, and then continue to cancellation, cancel subscription, and just like that we have successfully uh, canceled the subscription here on the Prezi AI. And yeah, in June 27, this will be cancelled and the payment will not go through. So as you can see, after free trial ends on June 27, this service will no longer be available. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next